there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this poster design in Canva, which is also animated, plus you can get this free template from the link in the description below. So let's start. First of all, we're gonna go here. Then what we're gonna do is just insert a rectangle over here and increase its size like this, rotate it like this, and then we're gonna just change its color, whatever the color you want to use. I'm gonna go with it. Let's rotate it like this. So here we go, we're just going to duplicate it and change the colors, send it to the back. Then what we're going to do is just change the color and the text. The font I'm going to use for the text box is Fatimi font. Then we're going to use the Async font for the other text box. And we're going to just change its color to whatever the color you like. Then what we're gonna do is just change the background color, and we're gonna just insert the text, and we're gonna insert another milkshake right here. Here we go. Then what we're gonna do is just send it to the back of the first shape. Here we go. Now what we're going to do is just insert some chocolate over here. Now duplicate your slides, and what we're going to do is just go to the first one, give them the match and move transition. Then we're going to move everything out from here. Like this. Then let me just decrease their sizes. After doing that, this is the final result. If you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can find this free template from the link in the description below.